These are the HT series of car and pro audio horn titanium tweeters. They are available in 4 different sizes of 1.35 inches, 1.75 inches, 2 inches, and 3 inches. And each model can be used for car audio tweeter replacements, custom installs, Chuchero builds, pro audio speaker replacements, PA speaker builds, and even home audio system speaker builds. Now, depending on your needs, we made this graph so you can see the differences between the 4 models and pick the one that best suits you. Now, these titanium diaphragm tweeters are compression drivers that either have an ABS or aluminum horn depending on which model you get. Now, our metal horns are heavier and made with a denser material, which ensures they will not generate resonances and unwanted vibrations that can alter the response of the speaker. All the tweeters are 8 ohms and have a frequency range of 800 Hz to 20,000 kHz to produce extremely loud and clear highs with a full frequency response that can even play some mids. We recommend using a crossover that cuts frequencies below 1500 to 3000 Hz at a negative 12 dB per octave. For installation, we include a cutout guide, and we've even strategically designed the terminals to be flush with the magnet so you do not need to make any additional cuts around the terminal when installing. So if you're looking for titanium tweeters for your car audio tweeter replacement, custom installs, Chuchero builds, pro audio speaker replacements, PA speaker builds, and even home audio speaker builds, look no further than the HT series from Rockville.